What I love about LA is that you can roll around anytime, day or night, and get all kinds of amazing food from people who make them in trucks or in trailers or on the street. But we're on our way to South Central. We're gonna get a sandwich. We're gonna get a torta from this guy. And he makes something called a torta cubana, which is a thick, enormous torta the size of your face. Super Tortas is kind of airbrushed on the side of it, like on the hood of like a tricked out Camry or something. They have all kinds of sandwiches there. It's not just the cubana, but they have something called a rusa, which is Russian. They have a Hollanda, which is Dutch. They have tortas for every country in every region of the world.
Yo quiero una torta cubana. Cuando tenga tiempo. Gracias. He's making the tortas in. Sí. Cómo no. He's making the tortas in there right now. He's super busy, so I don't want to bother him too much. But he's making the torta cubana, and we're gonna get to see how he makes it.
The sandwich to be conquered by all people who love good late night street food. Cheers.
Es estilo Distrito Federal, que significa Ciudad de México, ¿sí?
Ciudad de México.
Okay, so it's Super Tortas DF. DF is Distrito Federal, which means it's Mexico City style. And it's ham, it's chorizo and egg and pork leg and milanesa, which is this thinly pounded beef. It's got two different types of cheese. It's got this quesillo, which is the melty cheese. It's got queso, it's got ham, it's got avocado, it's got chili, it's got mayonnaise. It's way too big, but it's delicious.